Start by putting a cup of flour on your work surface. Next, take your egg, make a well in the center of the flour, and then crack your egg into it. Use a fork and start incorporating the flour into the egg. Keep mixing and add a little water if necessary until the flour is fully absorbed. Then start kneading the dough. After about 5 minutes, it's time to rest the dough by adding some plastic wrap to keep it from drying out. For the rolling part, I'm using a KitchenAid attachment to make this easier. Flour the dough and run it through the machine at its biggest setting, changing down to smaller numbers to make the pasta longer and thinner. The dough is now getting thin and long, and when it gets to the desired thickness, it's time to lay it on a table and cut it into the right size. Next, I run it through a pasta machine with a fettuccine cutter. I arrange them into little nests and sprinkle more flour on them to keep them from sticking with each other. These could go into a plastic bag in the freezer very easily, or you can let them dry out for future use.